morning students. Today we are going to see 7th standard Maths chapter 1 number system exercise 1.1 5th sum. See the 5th sum. In a quiz competition, team A scored plus 30 minus 20 0 and team B scored minus 20 0 plus 30 in 3 successive rounds. Which team will win? Can we say that we can add integer in any order? The score of team A is plus 30 minus 20 and 0. See here the signs are different. So we find the difference between these integers. So the difference between 30 and 20 is 10. See here the greater integer is 30. In front of 30 we have plus sign. So the difference between these two integers is plus 10. Then plus 10 plus 0 is, again we get the same, that is plus 10. The score of team A is plus 10. Now we find the score of team B. See here minus 20 plus 0, we add these two integers, we add 0 with any number, we get the same integer. So 0 minus 20 is minus 20. Now we add these two integers, here is minus 20, here plus 30, here the signs are different. So we find the difference between these two integers. The difference between 30 and 20 is 10. Here the greater integer is 30, in front of 30 is plus. So the answer is plus 10. See here, from this question, team A the score and team B score both are equal. Then we can add the integer in any order, we will get the same answer. So addition of integer is commutative, already we know. Addition of integer is commutative. So we can add in any order, we get the same answer. Next, see the 6th sum. The 6th sum is same for example 1.7 second sum. Both sums are equal. Already we saw in the earlier class example 1.7 second sum. The same for the 6th sum. That sum is homework. Yes, see the 7th sum. Find 5 pairs of integers, add up to 2. See here, pair means 2. When we add 2 integers, the answer is equal to 2. See here, 0 is an integer, 0 plus 2. What is the answer? 2. Now we add this pair, we get the answer 2. For this we write 5 pairs of integer. Here I write 1 pair of integer, then one more integer is 1 plus 1. So 1 is one integer, another one is one integer, 1 plus 1 is 2. Then see another integer minus 9 plus 11. See here minus 9 plus 11. See here the signs are different. So we find the difference between these two integers. The difference of 11 and 9 is 2. Here 11 is the greater number. In front of 11 we have plus. So the answer is plus 2. See, say one more integer minus 100 plus 102. See here also the signs are different. So we find the difference between 100 and 102 is 2. In 102, in front of 102 is plus. So the answer is plus. See one more pairs of integer minus 7 plus 9. See minus 7 plus 9. Here also the signs are different. So we find the difference between these two integers 9 and 7. The difference between 9 and 7 is 2. So 9 is the greater number, in front of plus. So the answer is plus 2. This is the 5 pairs of integer, add up to 2. Next, see the objective question. Objective question, see the 8th sum. The temperature at 12 noon. 12 noon is afternoon. That is 12 noon. At a certain place was 18 degree above 0. See 12 noon, the temperature is 18 degree above 0. If it decreases at the rate of 3 degree per hour, it is decreases 3 degree per hour, at what time it would be 12 degree below 0. See here, now the temperature is 18 degree. What is the time? 12 noon. See, after 12 noon, the degree is 3 degree is reduces per 1 hour per hour. See, 12 noon we reduce. See the number line, we take the interval 3 degree. See, it reduces 3 degree for each hour. So, it reduces, it comes to 12 degree below 0. It comes here 12 degree 0, below 0 means minus 12 degree. See here, now the time 12 noon, what is the temperature? 18 degree. So, after 12 noon is 1 p.m. 1 p.m. the temperature is 15 degree. 2 p.m. the temperature is 12 degree. Then 3 p.m. the temperature is 9 degree. 4 p.m. the temperature is 6 degree. Then 5 p.m. the temperature is 3 degree. Then 6 p.m. the temperature is 0 degree. Then 7 p.m. the temperature is minus 3 degree, below 0 degree, that is minus 3 degree. Then 8 p.m. the temperature is minus 6 degree, that is below 0. Then 9 p.m. the temperature is 9 degree, below 0. Then 10 p.m. the temperature is 12 degree. So, here the answer is 10 p.m. Next, 9th sum. Identify the problem with negative numbers as its answer. See here 4 options are given. Now we check, when we add these two integer, which question has the answer is negative integer. See here, minus 9, minus 14. Here the signs are same. So put the same sign, we add these two integer minus 14. Then you write this plus 6 as it is. Then minus 14 plus 6 is, here the signs are different. So we find the difference between these two integer. The difference between 14 and 6 is 8. Here 14 is the greater number, in front of 14 is minus. So the answer is minus. Here this sum has negative answer. Then option 2, see here 8 plus minus 12 plus of minus 6. Here these two integers are same negative integer. So put the same sign in the answer. Now here the signs are same, we add the integer. Put the same sign in the answer. Now we add the integer. 12 plus 6, 18. Here 8 you write as it is. 8 plus of minus 18 is, we find the difference between 8 and 18 is 10. Here 18 is the greater integer, in front of minus we have. Here also sum of these integer is negative answer. Now here minus 4 plus 2 plus 10. Plus 2 plus 10 is plus 12. Plus 12 minus 4 is plus 8. Here we have positive. Then 10, here this 10 positive and 8 positive. So 10 plus 8, 18. 18 minus 4, 14. Here also we have positive. So the option 1 and 2 we have the negative numbers. Next, 10th sum, minus 10 plus of plus 7. See here, minus 10 plus 7. See here, signs are different. So you find the difference between 10 and 7 is 3. See, 10 is the greater number, in front of 10 we have minus. So the answer is minus 3. Then see the next one, minus 8 plus 10 minus 2. We add these three integer. See here, this minus 8 and minus 2 are same integer, that is same sign. So minus 8 minus 2, the answer is minus 10. We add these two integer, we get minus 10. Then minus 10, this plus 10 is answer 0. See, minus 8 plus 10 plus of minus 2 is 0. See here, plus 20 plus of minus 9 plus 9. This plus 9 minus 9 we get cancel. So what is the answer? 20. Next we see subtraction of integer. See example 1.10. Subtract the following using number line. See the first sum, minus 3 minus of minus 2. Here we subtract these two integer. Listen carefully. See here, when we subtract the integer, we take the additive inverse of second term. Here the first term is minus 3. You write as it is. The additive inverse of minus 2 is plus 2. The additive inverse of minus 2 is plus 2. So here we write plus 2. This minus becomes plus. When we subtract the integer, we take the additive inverse of second term. This minus changes plus. Now we represent these integers in number line. See here, what is the first integer? Minus 3. Whenever we start at 0. Minus 3 means we move to left side. Here minus 3. 3 units. 1, 2, 3. 3 units we move left side. That is minus 3. Then we have plus 2. Plus 2 means here plus indicates the right side. How many units? 2 units. From 3 we count 2 units to right side. 1, 2. Here it comes. This is plus 2. What is the final answer? Minus 1. That is minus 3 minus of minus 2 is minus 1. See the second sum. Plus 6 minus of minus 5. See here, the first term you write as it is. When we subtract the integer, we take the additive inverse of second term. What is the additive inverse of minus 5 is plus 5. So for this minus 5, we write plus 5. This minus changes plus. See here, now we add these two integer. Is same for the subtraction of integer. See here, first this plus 6 and plus 5 we represent on the number line. First plus 6 we start at 0, 6 unit. Here plus means we move to right side 6 units. So 6 units here, this is plus 6. Then the next integer is plus 5, again plus. So again we move to right side 5 units. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here plus 5. See what is the final answer? Plus 11. That is plus 6 minus of minus 5 is equal to plus 11. See example 1.11. See the first sum, subtract minus 40 from 70. See in subtraction, after from what is given, that integer you should write first. Here after from 70 is given, 70 subtract means minus. See what is done in front of from minus 40, that one you write in second integer. See whenever we subtract the given in the words form, after from what is given, that you write in the first term, then the number you write in the second term. See here minus, subtract means minus. See now we change this minus as plus, we take the additive inverse of second number. See this 70 you write as it is. Here what is the additive inverse of minus 40? Yes, plus 40. Here you write, we take the additive inverse of second term, the minus sign automatically changes plus sign. See the additive inverse of minus 40 is plus 40. This minus sign changes plus sign. Now 70 is plus 70. Now we add these two integer, plus 70 plus 40. See here signs are same, put the same sign in the answer, we add the integer. 70 plus 40 is 110. So the answer is 110. That is 70 minus of minus 40 is plus 110. This is same for 70 minus of minus 40. See the next sum, subtract minus 12 from minus 20. See here after from what is given minus 20, that one you write first. Subtract means minus. Here what is the number? Minus 12. Now we take the additive inverse of minus 12 is plus 12. We take the additive inverse of minus 12. This minus sign automatically changes plus sign. So minus 20 you write as it is. We take the additive inverse of minus 12 is plus 12. When we take the additive inverse, this sign changes plus. See here now we write the number. Now we write the integer one by one as it is. That is minus 20, here plus 12. See here the signs are different. So we find the difference between these two integer. The difference between 20 and 12 is 8. See here, now we put the sign, greater number sign. Here 20 is the greater number, in front of 20 is minus. So the answer is minus 8. That is minus 12 minus of, so minus 20 minus of minus 12 is minus 8. This is the answer. See example 1.13. Chitra has rupees 150. She wanted to buy a bag which cost rupees 225. How much money does she need to borrow from her friend? See here, amount which Chitra has rupees 150. What is the cost of bag? 225. See, amount to be borrowed from her friend. She, Amuda, borrowed how much money from her friend? That only we have to find here. See here. See, what is the cost of bag? 225. See, Amuda has rupees 150. We subtract these two. Cost of bag minus amount with Amuda. We subtract these two. That is 225 minus 150. See, what is this? We subtract these two integer. Here 5. 2 minus 5 we cannot subtract. So, 12 minus 5 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, 75 rupees she borrowed from her friend. See example 1.14. What is the balance in Chelian's account as a result of purchase for rupees 1079? If he had opening balance of rupees 5000 in his account. See here we have to find the closing balance. See, what is the opening balance in Chelian's account? Rupees 5000. He debit the amount rupees 1079 for purchasing. See, what is the debit amount? 1079. Now, we subtract these two integer, with these two amount, we get the closing balance. That is 5000 minus 1079. Here 0 minus 9 we cannot subtract. So, we borrow from here, it comes 4. We borrow here, it comes 10. From this 10, we borrow here, it comes 9. It is 10. So, we borrow from 10, it comes 10. This is 9. So, 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 0 is 9. 4 minus 1 is 3. See, what is the Chelian's closing balance? That is rupees 3921. See the example 1.15. The temperature at Srinagar was minus 3 degrees Celsius on Friday. If the temperature decreases by 1 degree Celsius next day, then what is the temperature on that day? See here, the temperature at Srinagar on Friday. So, what is the temperature on Friday? Minus 3 degrees Celsius. See, the temperature decreases. Decreases means minus. See, how much decreases? 1 degree Celsius. So, this is minus 1 degree. See, the temperature on the next day. See, on Friday, the temperature at Srinagar is minus 3 degree. Then 1 degree Celsius decreases means minus 1 degree Celsius. See here, minus minus, the signs are same. So, put the same sign in the answer. Now, we add this integer. 3 degree and 1 degree is 4 degree Celsius. The temperature on the next day is minus 4 degree Celsius. Thank you, students. Remaining sums we will see in the next class.